Well, the colder temperatures are causing some folks to seek medical help. The director of Loaves and Fishes in Harlingen said they've seen an increasing number of people using their clinic. Channel 5's Frank McCaffrey spoke with a woman who depends on the clinic's services. Frank?
Oscar, doctors I spoke with today say this weather aggravates health problems faced by those who live in the streets or are in a home without heating. They can develop respiratory problems or strep throat. Without access to health insurance, there are next to no options for these people in need. Eva Armida Garcia knows she can turn to the Great Physicians Healthy Living Clinic located at Loaves and Fishes.
Atiende bien, da buen servicio y pues sobre todo ayuda mucho porque pues nada más hay que dar una donación.
The clinic functions by donations from the community. With only limited access to health care, what would Garcia or people like her do if they did not have this health clinic?
Eso sí es una buena pregunta. Pues tendríamos que ver en dónde o buscar en dónde podríamos ir.
In this cold, the homeless face several health risks. Clinic Dr. Stephen Robinson says he's seeing an uptick in illnesses related to the temperatures.
We are getting to see a lot more viral illnesses that are going around, particularly upper respiratory infections. We'll see lots of wounds and infections like upper respiratory infections, sore throats, that sort of thing. When the cold weather hits, we tend to see more of those.
Maintaining good health is important for a number of reasons. Loaves and Fishes director Bill Reagan says health problems are what often led those in his clinic to other very hard times.
Homelessness and health issues are closely related to each other. Many people become homeless because they've been sick, they've been in the hospital, they can't afford to pay their bills, they can't afford to go to work, and so they end up homeless because of that.
Reagan says that's a reason his clinic is open, with nurses 5 days a week and a physician 3 days a week. Now, if you know anyone who is homeless or someone who is living in a place without heat, Reagan asked for you to help them contact his clinic at 956-423-1014. Live in the newsroom, Frank McCaffrey, Channel 5 News at 6.
And Dr. Robinson, who you heard from in Frank's report, offers some advice in, again, dealing with the cold weather in this Channel 5 News Extra. He recommends staying inside a heated facility if you can. Also think safety, avoid using anything that is not meant to be a heater for a home, like an oven or even using an old space heater. And if you have to go outdoors, protect yourself against the wind and cold weather. Also keep hydrated with warm liquids.